Wilson, reporting from Copenhagen for the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists. Today we take a look at an emerging market that has the potential to overshadow every other industry interest in the climate debate. Carbon markets work like this. Governments issue a number of permits allowing companies to emit carbon dioxide. Those permits are tradable and can be bought by other companies that have trouble meeting their targets.
I think you're seeing a new commodity emerging that has been 10 years in the making now, and you're seeing an increased sophistication amongst all of the representatives who are there.
With the introduction of a global carbon market came the International Emissions Trading Association. The association represents an array of industry heavyweights, including some of the biggest names in oil and gas, financial markets, and heavy chemical.
Well, I think it's a bit premature to talk about the carbon markets gaining the power at the moment. I think the power is and will remain in the hands, essentially, of companies who need to reduce their emissions and are looking for the most cost-effective way of doing that.
Derwent plays down the present power of this industry, worth an estimated $126 billion this year, but he's not shy about explaining how the association plans to boost the industry's influence.
Well, we are a lobbying organisation. I don't think there's any shame in saying that. We and our members work out what we think are the most cost-efficient and effective means of introducing emissions trading. And we say to governments, hey, you should be doing it this way, or don't do it that way. And sometimes that works. Sometimes the politics on the other side are just too far or too heavy for us to deal with.
This is Kate Wilson, signing off from Copenhagen for the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists.